If we can, we take every opportunity to go outside to connect with nature and cook something delicious. We believe that the best meal is cooked on fire. If you think the same, then stick with us, because we will share with you our adventures with beautiful landscapes and delicious food. Nature provides us everything we need, it doesn't matter the season. You can collect branches from dead trees, and if you are in a pine forest, in harsh conditions, you can use resin to light a fire. After finding a nice spot, we start by making the fire. There's no better feeling for us than sitting by a cozy fire. The sound of crackling wood and the smoke makes you disconnect from the busy city life. Today we'll make stuffed mushrooms and chicken liver wrapped in bacon. This is an amazing recipe full of flavor, which is very easy to make. There are not many ingredients. Let's start by preparing the ingredients. For our recipe we use chicken liver, bacon, mushrooms, cheddar, white onions, garlic, salt and ground pepper. We clean the mushrooms. After that we dice a white onion. We clean 2 cloves of garlic and we dice them up for our marinade. We marinate our liver with milk and diced garlic. We dice the bacon and the cheese. We use 2 kinds of cheese, cheddar and cured sheep cheese. We put a cast iron pan on the hot charcoal. We add some oil, and when hot we add the bacon. We season with ground pepper and we sear the bacon until golden and crisp. We add the diced white onions with the garlic and we season with salt. While it's cooking, we wrap our chicken liver. We lay on a flat surface thin slices of bacon and we add on top the liver and we roll them. If you like bacon, you can even use 2 slices for 1 roll. Our stuffing is cooked, so we put it in a bowl. We add the cheese and it's done. We continue with seasoning the cleaned mushrooms. We add the stuffing on top and we put them on the grill. heat up some oil in a cast iron pan and we add the wrapped liver. We sear it on all sides until golden and crisp. The mushroom doesn't need to stay on the grill for a long time. Just a few minutes are enough because they will get dry if you overcook them. If you enjoyed our video, then subscribe, like or leave a comment below. Have an amazing day and see you next week.